Meron lang, before we release you, meron lang nagpadala ng question na isang kasama natin na wala dito. Please ask General Browner, meron daw, uh, yapon in question, does he consider the recent protest just a mere political noise? Because he made a call to AFP to disregard political noise. Please inform him that this is not only a political noise, but it is a call for accountability and reform and change. Yung pinaparati lang niya sa'yo, baka...
Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. Your Honor, I was actually talking to the troops yesterday in line with the 35th anniversary of the Code of Ethics of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. So yun po yung konteksto, that in under the Code of Ethics of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Armed Forces is non-partisan when it comes to politics. So ang sinabi ko lang po, mag-focus lang tayo sa trabaho. Huwag na tayo makinig masyado sa nangyayari political.
So you're not referring to the recent protest ng
Hindi
mga
naman
tao?
po, hindi naman po. I'm just reminding all the soldiers, kahapon po nangyari yon, yung flag raising ceremony namin. It was uh, it was it involved all the units of the armed forces kasi naka-online po kami. Maski yung mga nandun sa Mindanao na mga units, this was a united effort to celebrate the 35th anniversary of the Code of Ethics of the AFP, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yun lang po, Your Honor.
Walang problema. Alam ko ito lahat ito, mga tahimik na ito ngayon eh. Hintayin mo mag-retire ito mga ito. Maiingay ito pag mag-retire. Yung kagaya ng mga upper class natin. Pero very legitimate naman yung kanilang gripes din. Sir, the Vice President Security and Protection Group, ni-recall daw? Effective October 4?
Your Honor, that
Yes, sir.
the group has been abolished and it is under the AFP SPG. So
Pero may iniwan bang tao sa kanya?
meron,
security?
meron ho.
Pero yung group lang inabolish.
Inabolish ho
Si La Chica, tinanggal din. Yung Colonel La Chica.
naka-floating po siya dahil meron pong kaso.
Kaso.
Oo.
Okay, yun lang sir. May nagpatanong lang. Pero andyan pa rin yung security niya.
Opo,
Hindi pa tinanggal.
all mandated officials po are provided with appropriate security po.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.